Hello friends, welcome to learning Sketchup with VRAY and for the interior project. Now we are going to continue to add some of the basic tools which you will be helpful in order to create real world project in Sketchup. So in this session we will explore rotate scaling option within the Sketchup environment. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to select these entities. So I will be select this entity or select this object, and for the rotate that is a shortcut of Q. So as you can see, Q is the shortcut. If you don't find the shortcut, you can go to tools. As you can see, the shortcut for each and every command is mentioned at here as well. So for the rotate, you can type the letter Q, and this protector will be help you in order to rotate the entity. Let's say I want to rotate the whole this box from this point. Now you need to specify the reference axis. So I need to specify reference axis on this direction, and I want to rotate in a 45 degree. So like this way, you can able to rotate the entity like this. So you can also rotate the entity like this. So from this point, from here to rotate at an angle of 60 degree. So this is how you will be use the rotate tool within the SketchUp environment. Now next one is the scale. Now in the scale, you need to understand the scale factor. So scale factor is what? New length upon original length. Right now let's say that is a 1 cube, 10 foot by 10 foot by 10 foot, and you want to make it that cube by 50 foot by 50 foot by 50 foot. So what is your scale factor? 50 foot divided by 10 foot, because of your new length will be become 50 foot and original length will be become 10 foot. So 50 divided by 10, so your answer will be become 5. So your scale factor will be become 5. So it will be scaling your entire object to the 5 times. So let me explore that. So we will go to the space bar, and we will create a one rectangle. Let's say 10 feet, comma 10 feet. And now I will be use the push pull and 10 feet as well. Now I want to make the scaling of this. So press the space bar and select the whole blocks, and then after for the scale the shortcut is S, and then you need to select the first point. Now as you can see, you can able to use the scale, but I can type the scale factor 5, enter. So as you can see, your box is going to be entire scale 5 times than what currently the size it has. Now in order to measure, use the tab measure tool. From this point, as you can see, up to here, that is 50 foot. Now right now your size is 50, but you want to make it 5. So your scale factor will become 0.1, because your new length will be 5 and original length is 50. So 5 divided by 50. So that is 0.1. So 0.1 is your scale factor. So what you need to do, you need to select entire this object, and then type S, click here and type 0.1, enter. So it will be becomes scaling like this. Now if you will be measure, press the T from this point to this point. As you can see, it is a 5 feet. Now next thing is single click, double click, triple click in the component. So these are all my components. So if I will make a single click, I can able to select particular one component. If I will be double click, I will be able to edit the component, as you can see. And now if I will be make a triple click, I will be able to select all the component of this name. Now if I will make a scale, as you can see, it will be scaling to all the components like this. If I will make a push pull P, Now, let us say next thing is right now the distance from here to here is what, about 7 foot. So let's say we want to make it 10 foot. So I'm just clicking here and then type 10 feet, enter. So it will be asking, do you want to resize? Say yes. So as you can see, that is becomes 10 feet. Let's we explore again once again so that you will be able to understand properly. So I'm double click on this group, on this component, and press the tape measure tool. Shortcut is T. Now you need to click 2 points. If you want to check the distance, so you need to just move the mouse over that point. You don't need to click. But if you want to resize, so you need to click. So instead of 10 feet, let's say I want to use 4 feet and press enter. So it will become 4 feet of all these entities. If you want to measure, as you can see, 4 feet. So tape measure is also used for scaling as well. Single click to simply select a single component, double click to edit the component, and triple click to select all the components within that environment. Now in the next video we will be seeing the default tray option, which will be also helpful to you to create a SketchUp real world project. And then after we will start the real world project SketchUp with VRAY and in interior, and then after we will explore for the exterior as well.